Apple TV Plus is hoping to make some noise with their new series, Roar. The 8-part anthology series offers an insightful, poignant, and hilarious portrait of what it means to be a woman today. We caught up with some of the cast to talk about their characters and what makes them roar.
I had received the script and I was so excited to be a part of a period piece and to also horseback ride during filming, like during acting, because I love both of those things. The episode is generally about revenge. And I think my favorite thing about the episode is that the revenge doesn't look like what everyone else thinks that her revenge is going to be.
I liked that I was being tasked as an actor with staying very believable within unbelievable circumstances. I liked that tension. I don't think they would be worthwhile stories if they were only about something fantastic happening. I think the thing that makes them worthwhile is that fantastic thing is being used to illustrate something very crucial and true and painful and close to the chest. It's something very internal made external.
If you've caught any of the episodes, which dropped on April 15th, then you know Roar is far from your typical female melodrama. Nicole Kidman stars as a woman who eats photographs, while Issa Rae plays the woman who slowly disappeared.
I don't understand why you guys aren't answering any of my questions.
You're not saying anything.
Then there's the wildly weird, the woman who was fed by a duck, starring Merritt Weaver, and the woman who found bite marks on her skin, starring Cynthia Erivo. We'd suggest binge watching these 35-minute long episodes and staying off Twitter if you don't want spoilers. For HipHollywood.com, I'm Jasmine Simpkins.